Let me say the scary part out loud one more time. An MCP app is third-party code running inside your AI chat, an arm's length from your files, your tools, and your conversations. That should terrify you. It does not because of how these apps are built and 4 layers of defense underneath them. This is the finale. Let us build one, then lock it down. Building first because it is simpler than you would guess. You do not need a new framework. An MCP app is just a web page that speaks the protocol. The official package, ext-apps, gives you a small app class, a convenience wrapper over that post message bridge. You create the app and you call a tool with one line, app.callTool. That is it. And because it is just standard web tech, you can build the UI in anything: React, Vue, Svelte, Solid, or plain vanilla JavaScript. The official examples ship a starter for each. On the host side, an AppBridge module handles rendering the iframe, passing messages, and enforcing the rules. You bring the HTML, the host brings the cage.
Now the cage. 4 layers. Layer 1, the sandbox. The app runs in a sandboxed iframe. That means it cannot reach the parent page's DOM, it cannot read the host's cookies or local storage, and it cannot navigate or script the page around it. It is sealed in a box. Even a fully malicious app is stuck inside that box. Layer 2, pre-declared templates and a tight wall. The UI is not some random URL the app loads at runtime. It is a resource the server declares upfront, so the host can review it before it ever enters. On top of that, the app declares a content security policy, exactly which outside origins it is allowed to load from, and a permissions list for sensitive things like camera or microphone. Nothing sensitive is assumed, everything is requested.
Layer 3, auditable messages. Every single thing the app says to the host goes through that JSON-RPC channel, which means every message is structured and every message is loggable. The host decides which tools the app is even allowed to call and can switch capabilities off. There are no secret backchannels, just one inspectable pipe. Layer 4, user consent. This is the thread through the entire series. Tools ask before they act. Sampling asks before it runs. And an app is no different. The host keeps the human in the loop for anything that touches real data or real actions. The app can request an outcome. Only you, through the host, can grant it. Stack those up: sandbox, declared templates, auditable messages, human consent, and a third-party UI in your chat goes from terrifying to tractable. Not trust the author. Structurally contained. Where does it run today? In a growing list of hosts: Claude and Claude Desktop, VS Code's Copilot, Goose, and others, with the extension still early but moving fast. It is the newest frontier in this Hail protocol, and it is being built in the open. So that is the series. 6 episodes. We started with a model that could not read one file, the M by N mess, and MCP as the USB-C that fixed it. We opened the server and found 3 primitives: tools, resources, prompts. We read the wire, JSON-RPC, and the handshake. We flipped it 2-way: transports, sampling, elicitation. And we watched tools grow a user interface, then learned to ship that safely. You did not just learn what MCP is. You can now reason about it, design with it, debug it, and judge whether an app is safe to run. That was the whole goal: 0 to genuinely dangerous. If this series earned it, subscribe and tell me in the comments what you want me to break down next. This was the Model Context Protocol end to end. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.